How to send normal pictures from camera roll as snaps. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can send in normal pictures from camera rolls as snaps. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Snapchat, and once you're on your Snapchat, simply go to this explore icon from over here and simply tap on explore. And once you're going to tap on this explore icon from the below, simply go to the search and tap in gallery over there. So now you're going to be seeing different multiple options. So just simply click on any one of these. For example, I'm going to be clicking on this one, and it's going to be showing me all of the pictures recently in my gallery, and I can simply tap on that and click a snap. For example, you guys can see that I have taken a snap of my gallery pictures, and then you can simply tap on next and send it as a normal snap. So that is how easily you guys can send a normal snap gallery photo as a normal snap on Snapchat. This process was quite easy. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.